Getting an FDA warning letter is a full-blown crisis. Here's your guide to taking back control.
So what is a warning letter? It's the FDA officially telling you your company has a significant violation.
And in the FDA's own words, it means your products or processes are violating their regulations. Simple as that.
Okay, so here's our game plan. We'll cover what it is, the stakes, and your step-by-step recovery plan. First, don't confuse this with a Form 483. A 483 is an observation. A warning letter means you must act.
And the consequences? Oh, they're severe. These letters are public and can totally block your new product submissions.
And get this, the clock is ticking. You have exactly 15 business days to send a written response.
All right, here's your 5-step recovery plan. It all starts with a solid corrective and preventative action plan, or CAPA.
For a strong response, you need to hit every violation, explain the root cause, and back it all up with evidence. Here's what that looks like in the real world. You state the action, reference the new SOP, and attach proof. And whatever you do, avoid these mistakes. Don't ignore any citation, and don't miss that 15-day deadline.
You know, what's really interesting, FDA data shows the same kinds of failures pop up again and again.
So what are the biggest hotspots? Yep, CAPA failures and issues with design controls are at the very top.
And the why is huge. The FDA says it's because investigations are just inadequate, leading to the same problems.
So what's the end goal of all this work? It's getting this right here, an official closeout letter.
But remember, you can't get one with just promises. The FDA has to come in and verify your fixes.
And this is what success looks like. The FDA confirming in writing that you've addressed all the violations.
So you've seen the risks and the recovery plan. Now the real question is your quality system ready?